Across the beautiful island of Jamaica, the calm after the storm reveals both heartbreak and hope. Once serene coastlines now bear the scars of nature's power. Entire communities have faced devastation, but the spirit of the people remains unbroken. Homes have been torn apart. Roads have vanished beneath floodwaters. Trees that once shaded lively neighborhoods now lie in silence. Families sift through what remains, holding on to faith and one another. In the face of loss, there is unity. First responders, neighbors, and volunteers have joined hands, bringing food, comfort, and hope. Each act of kindness reminds us that resilience lives here in every heart and every helping hand. Even amid ruin, renewal begins. Roofs will be rebuilt, debris will be cleared, and the sound of hammers and saws will replace the roar of the storm. Jamaica's strength is not measured by what it has lost, but by how it rises again. From the mountains to the sea, Jamaica endures. The road ahead may be long, but together, the nation stands strong, rooted in faith, unity, and the unwavering belief that brighter days will come.